Flashback.
Pimple actually happens because of different factors in our body, like hormonal changes, be it outer factors, the food intake, kalp and pitta dosh in our body. Hi everyone, my name is Mika. I'm a certified skincare formulator and I love making recipes with the herbal and Ayurvedic ingredients that actually work for different skin problems. So let's go into the recipes part. For my first recipe, I'll be using little neem powder, little of the amba haldi, and little of my homemade aloe vera gel, and then I'll be putting little drops of lemon in it. So now I'll be just mixing this well and putting this only on my pimples for the fast results. Neem has antibacterial properties and haldi is also an antibacterial ingredient which actually relieves the redness from the pimple. For my next recipe, I'll be using 1 spoon of manjishtha powder, little sandalwood powder. This is the pure sandalwood powder, some of the aloe vera juice, and few drops of lemon. Mixing it well. You can use this paste on your pigmented skin and as well as on your pimples. I love keeping this mask on my whole face because this works well for every skin type and doesn't have any side effects. For sensitive skin, prefer using a few drops of lemon, not more, because it may harm your sensitivity of your skin. See the texture. For my next recipe, I'll be using little multani mitti, half of spoon of white turmeric powder, some aloe vera juice. Why I'm putting aloe vera juice everywhere? Because this smooths the skin and also relieves the pimples whenever used. And after this, I'll be putting few lemon drops. We have to apply this paste with little cotton on the pimple itself, not on the full face. For my next recipe, I'll be using half a spoon of neem powder, little honey, freshly picked tulsi leaves. I have crushed this with my hand itself, and next is some aloe vera juice. Let it sit for some time and then you can apply this on your whole face and on your pimples also. This has some antibacterial properties where tulsi will help you from the redness and the irritation, and honey will help you to remove the scarring that happens after the pimple. Yeah. After sharing all the recipes with you for the spot treatment and for the face, I would like to share one detox water with you which you can use in the morning after purifying it with the sieve or use it as a toner. So for that, we would like to have 1 glass of water. I would like to add half a spoon of trifla in this and half spoon of neem powder. After this, I'll keep this overnight and I'll strain this water in the morning with the sieve and then I'll drink it. Or what you can do is you can use it as a toner also, and after washing your face, just spray it on your face. That's it.